Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Lucid Trading account to Tradingview. First, check your broker compatibility. Lucid Trading uses Rithmic or another compatible broker for order execution. Tradingview only allows connections with brokers it supports. So before you start, confirm with Lucid whether your account can be connected to Tradingview. This avoids any errors later. Next, open TradingView. You can go to the tradingview.com in your browser or open the desktop or mobile app. Log in using the TradingView account so your charts and settings are ready. Now open the trading panel. At the bottom of any chart, click on Trading Panel. This panel shows all brokers that are supported and ready to connect. Select your broker. Look for Rithmic or the broker that Lucid Trading uses. Once you find it, click Connect to start the linking process. Enter your Lucid Trading credentials carefully. Fill in your username, password, and select the correct system, either paper for practice or live for real trading. Then, click Connect to confirm the details. Finally, verify your connection. Then, the status should now be connected. Once connected, you can place trades directly from your charts, monitor your open positions, and set stop loss and take profit orders. Your account is now fully linked to TradingView and ready for trading. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.